Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. We all have used cluster beans, that is known as Kothavarangai in Tamil, Gor Chikudukaya, Gavarfali. So this generally we use in a sabji, either dry or a gravy form. But today we will see how to make a very interesting Thogayal. Thogayal is a kind of chutney which we mix with rice and eat. This is the cluster beans, we have washed it. Now just cut the edges like this and then we will chop it into pieces and keep it aside. First we will heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add a teaspoon of jeera. These are 2 tablespoons of raw peanuts. We will slightly fry the peanuts. Here you can take green chillies depending on your spice level. You can take about 8 or 9 green chillies. Fry that also along with the nuts. When the chillies and nuts are well fried, I have taken a small piece of tamarind. Remove the seeds and any fiber. Add it also along with this and fry everything together for another minute. Now when everything is well fried, I will just remove it onto a plate. Now add another spoon of oil to the same pan and we will first add in this chopped vegetable to it. First stir fry the vegetable for 2 or 3 minutes. Next I am adding about half a cup of water. Cover it and cook it on a low to medium flame till the vegetable is well done. In between just open the lid and check if it needs more water. If required you can add a little more water, because we need the vegetable to be very well cooked, otherwise you will get a raw smell in your thogayal. I am also adding some salt and we will continue cooking it till it is nice and soft. It is about 10 minutes. Let us check the beans now. See, all the water has been absorbed. The beans is well cooked, nice and soft. Now remove this into a bowl and allow it to come to room temperature. So in your blender jar, first add this fried peanuts, green chillies and tamarind. Add a handful of fresh chopped green coriander. First we will grind all this together. Now add these cluster beans, the cooked one, and this time don't grind it fine. Use only the pulse mode and pulse it 2 or 3 times, on off like that. See the texture, it should be slightly coarse like this. Don't make it into a fine paste, then the taste will not be that good. For the tempering, heat a spoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, a spoon of Urad dal, add 1 dry red chilli, switch it off, just add a little bit of Hing to this and pour this tempering on top of the chutney. So our cluster beans Thogayal or Kothavarangai Thogayal is now ready. To serve, I have some steaming hot rice. We will top it with some ghee and add some of this Thogayal to it and mix it and have very good in taste. And this particular vegetable, cluster beans or gavarfali, Gor Chikudukaya, whichever language you call it in, it's very good for diabetics especially. So do include this in your diet. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, share it with your family and friends, And we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.